All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Nathan Adams Cars. I'm with my colleague here, Nick Shirley. We're gonna work on this video together. So just go ahead and check out his information in the description as well.
Boom.
All right, so what we're gonna do today is look at the MDX, the 2018, which comes standard with Acura Watch, which means it has lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. It can basically, all of that stuff. It can basically drive itself on the highway. So we're gonna demonstrate that for you. Do you have anything to add to that, Nick?
Well, Nate, I actually do. So what we're going to do is first, we'll start off by we're going to show you how to start and activate your lane keeping assist to have it ready to activate when it comes time on the road.
All right, thank you, Nick. So I'm just going to start by going over some of the buttons inside that we need to know about and how this stuff works. Right now, we are looking at the 2018 MDX. We actually drove this exact one, the white all-wheel drive with technology package. Now, when you get in the car, on the steering wheel, there's that main button there, and then also the lane keeping assist, because this is what we're talking about. Once you press the main button, the green lights showing lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control will be on, so you'll know we can use it starting now.
All right, so here we are getting on to 28 North towards the Dulles Airport here in Chantilly, Virginia. This is Nicholas Shirley and Nathan Adams Cars coming to you from Pohanka Acura. It's going to demonstrate the lane keeping assist. So first what we're going to do is we're going to press the main button to actually enable your Acura Watch features. The main button's found here at 3 o'clock on your steering wheel. I'll go and activate that, and then there's another following button around 5 o'clock. It's got a little steering wheel on it and some dotted lines. I'm going to push that. Now the vehicle is in a search mode, so it's searching for the lines on the road to then activate the lane assist. So now it does have a speed limit. It's 45 to 90 miles per hour, so it's typically a highway or travel feature. Typically I've used it myself going down to Walt Disney World. It's fantastic. So what it's going to allow you to do is now it's just picked it up, and so what it's going to do is it's going to actually sense the line. So right now we're going on the turn. I can actually take my hands off the wheel, and what it's going to do is it's following the turn itself. Now the vehicle is not autonomous, it's a driver assisted focused feature. So there is going to be a certain point where it's going to want me to put my hands back on the wheel. But again, what I personally did is I just was able to rest my hands right here, and that's a 16-hour drive down to Walt Disney World. If you do not know, it's terrible and exhausting, but this feature allowed me to just rest my hands very calmly, and the car almost drove itself.
All right, thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot of information here with all the different Acura Watch features. The car can drive itself. It's really sporty. You got Nick Shirley enjoying it over here on my left. Too much to even, like, he can't even handle it.
And keep in mind, I drive these every single day. Still love it.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Add a comment down below, subscribe, follow me on all my social media stuff. That'll be in the description below. And also go ahead and check out Nick Shirley. He works with me here at Pohanka Acura as well, and we can both assist you with any questions.
We'll post all the links below. We'll also do a following video on the Collision Mitigation Braking System, just to, you know, wrap up all your Acura Watch features, and then we'll continue on some of the other many features that come, again, standard on the 2018 Acura MDX.
All right, thanks guys. See you next time.